What's going on? All my homies, homettes, dudes, and dudettes. It's your boy Will, back again, and I'm about to do a ride along. But you already knew it because it was in the thumbnail, right? It was in the thumbnail. I am doing a ride along with this right here. This is Greenwich Village, and this is a dual fragrance. Obviously, it's a clone, but we'll get into that a little bit later. And this fragrance, when I first got it, I was like not really all that excited about it. I was kind of like, it's okay. But I put it on my skin and I actually wore it a little bit. And I was like, oh, this is better on skin than it actually is on a piece of paper or in the air. So I'm gonna do a ride along with it, see how it does, and watch and pay attention to the whole progression of the whole fragrance. So jumping right into it. I'm not gonna put as many sprays as I normally do because normally dual fragrances are pretty dense and they tend to last pretty good. So I'll do one on the pulses, on the wrist, and one in the inside the elbow, then in behind the ear, and maybe one right in the back. Yeah, that's strong. Maybe a slight one on the shoulders too. Just a little smaller one, just to give myself a bigger scent bubble. Okay, all right, so let's rock out to this right now. It is 12:24 and the temperature right now is 81 degrees, if that's coming up. And it's supposed to be like around, I think maybe 90 degrees today. So we're gonna check it out, see how it does. All right, roll with me. Let's check it out. Hey folks, I'm doing a check-in. We are out here at level 99 again, and hopefully this microphone is working. Let me stop. All right, folks, so it's time for a check-in. I am here out in level 99. We're gonna have a little fun for Father's Day, just chill and do some father-son bonding. And right now it is 2:03 and 83 degrees. And the fragrance is doing okay. It's got like a little scent bubble. Can you smell me?
Yeah.
Oh. So I think it's gotten a lot closer to the skin, but he said he could smell me, but he was close up on me. So I'll do another check in a little bit. All right, keep rolling with me. Actually, all will. You get them first. What? What? Put down text. Huh? Put down text. Realistically, you got to get to it. What happened? I don't know. That's what we got to figure out. Oh, you pushed the door. Why is the door not locked? Hey folks, all right, time to do another check-in. I'm doing the check-in and right now it is 4:35. 4:35 and the temperature is 84 degrees, so it is doing pretty good right now. So the fragrance did pretty good. Actually, it came back a little bit. I thought it had died out, but it came back and it came back a little bit brighter. Oh, okay, there we go. Couldn't see myself. It's still pretty close to the skin right now. It's probably like about close to a skin scent, but not quite. If I'm walking past somebody, they may be able to smell me, but it's not doing too bad. All right, so I'll do another check-in in a little bit. And hey folks, all right, I'm doing a check-in and right now it is 6:08 and the temperature is 85 degrees. I'm not sure if that's coming through, but the fragrance is pretty much gone now. I can't smell it. Trey can't smell it either. So, but it did pretty good. Huh? No, but it did pretty good, especially since we were running around. I probably put some of the footage of us, doing all these different tasks, physical activities. So I was sweating a lot, and I sprayed mostly on my skin instead of spraying any on my clothes because I thought it was going to be super strong. So, so yeah, that's that for right now. And I guess, and once I get back to home base, I'll do a wrap up of the scent and talk about the what is cloning and the notes and so on and so forth. All right, keep rolling with me. Hey, all right, folks, I am back in. As you can tell, we had a long day today. It was Father's Day, and I celebrated with my son, hanging out, just guys doing God things. So this was Greenwich Village. The name's not gonna come in there? Yes. So I stated earlier a little while ago that the fragrance was dead. It is dead on my skin, but my shirt that I realized that I sprayed on the shoulders, I can still smell it slightly. It's not like I'm going to get any attention or someone's going to smell it if they walk past me. If someone is like right up on me or laying on me or leaning on me or give me a hug or something like that, they probably will smell it. But if someone's walking past, they're not going to smell it. So take that with a grain of salt. I guess if I wanted it to last a lot longer, I could have sprayed more on my shirt and it would have did well. So anyway, Greenwich Village. This one is Dua's clone fragrance of Purple Label by Ralph Lauren or Bleecker Street, because Bleecker Street by Bond Number 9, because both of those pretty much smell almost identical. There are a little bit of changes in them, but they're pretty close. And I think what Dua did is kind of split the two and kind of went with something that smells a little bit like both of them instead of smelling exactly like one or the other. So yeah, that's what that is. And then let's jump into the notes. The notes of this fragrance of Dua's Greenwich Village is they have the notes just all together, not broken down into top, middle, and base. So it is violet leaf, blueberry, oak moss, cassis, thyme, patchouli, cinnamon, vanilla, jasmine, and caramel. And really, all what I really get is the blueberry and the violet leaf. That's mainly what I get from it. It's just a nice, bubbly, fresh kind of fragrance. It smells a little buttoned up too. I'm not sure if this smells exact. Like I said, it's not exactly like one or the other, but it smells good. If you're looking for something that's similar to those fragrances, this is a good one. So yeah. Oh, right now it's 7:05, and the temperature has it hasn't changed at all. It's still 84 degrees. So, but that doesn't matter because I'm inside now, and we were inside most of the day anyway, except for when we had lunch/dinner. We were mostly inside, but we were inside and we were moving around a lot, so we were doing a lot of different activities. I think I probably will put some of the clips of some of the things that we did in there. So yeah, that's that. Thanks for hanging out with me. I appreciate your time. I know you could be anywhere else in the world, but you're here with me talking about Greenwich Village by Dua. It's just a sample because I got a couple of other clones of the whole Bond Number 9, Bleecker Street, or Purple Label. I have a couple of fragrances that smell like that. I didn't really need a full bottle, and I just got this, I think, to fulfill an order or something. So anyway, thanks for hanging out with me again, and happy Father's Day to all you fathers out there. You guys are really appreciated. More than we know, we are appreciated. Sometimes kids forget to tell us, sometimes our wives and our girlfriends forget to tell us, but we are appreciated. Until next time, it's your boy Will with the Will Report. Deuces.